In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add an admin on your Facebook page using PC and mobile phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you have to switch to Facebook page where you want to add an admin. Once you switch, then click on the profile, then settings and privacy. Then click on settings and then page setup. Now click on page access and click on add new. Then next. Now you have to search for an admin. Once you find, then select it. And if you want to give full control of your page, then you have to enable this or keep it as it is. Then click on give access. Now try your password and click on confirm button. At the beginning, you have to open the Facebook app and tap on this menu icon. Now you have to switch to the Facebook page. Why don't you add admin? After switch, tap on menu icon, scroll down and expand settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now scroll down. Now tap on page setup and then page access. Now if you tap on add new on people with Facebook access, now tap on next. Now type your admin name and find the admin and select it. And if you want to give full access to this person, then you have to enable this or keep it as it is. Lastly, click on give access. Now type your Facebook password and click on confirm button to add a new admin on your Facebook page. Once the Facebook user will accept your invitation, then they will add as an admin on your Facebook page.